Hi, winter is upon us. Most of us might be feeling cozy, happy. Okay, so in this video, I'll be covering about the skin problems which affects your hands and feet in the winter season. In the initial half of the video, I'll be elaborating about various skin problems which affects your hands, which common skin problem which affects your hands and foot. In the second half of the video, I'll be covering how tips or hacks how to take care of your hands and foot. So myself Dr. Kiran Kesi, I am a dermatologist working in Haldwani, Uttarakhand. Let's start. So what are the common conditions which affects your hands and foot in winter season? The first and foremost, which is the most common, is dry skin. Okay, it can happen with various degree. Okay, person to person, matlab from slight dryness, okay, xerosis, to severe cases where the skin is peeling, okay, where you develop cracks, fissures, which you will be having burning sensation. Okay, people who have dry skin, the higher chances of you developing hand eczema, foot eczema, because any irritant material which touches your hand, in case of dry skin, the higher chances of developing eczema or allergic contact dermatitis. And also the severity of psoriasis increases. If your skin is dry, the psoriasis severity it's more. Okay, so this is the first one, dry skin. The second is Raynaud's phenomena. Okay, in this, your tips of your hands and foot, okay, become bluish in color. Okay, and few people might have pain along with bluish discoloration. You can also have pain. It's usually seen in females. Okay, the third one is chillblains. Okay, chillblains, this is a quite common thing which I see. In this, what happens is your tips of your hands and foot, okay, redness, swelling develops. Okay, and you can have burning, itching sensation, pain in the tips of your hands and foot along with the redness and swelling. Okay, in severe cases, you can develop ulcers, blisters also. Okay, chillblains are very quite common. Lot of people who come to me during the winter season with their tips swollen, itching sensation, burning sensation. Okay, particularly people who stay in Nainital, Almoda, okay, colder places. Okay, so next is frostbite. Okay, in this, your tips of your hands and foot, okay, initially becomes red, and you also might be having a numbing feeling, cold feeling, tingly feeling. Okay, and in severe cases, it can become black, rubbery feel. Okay, in severe cases, okay, rubbery feel. Okay, so this is frostbite. Okay, so these are the common skin problems which I usually notice, okay, in my day-to-day practice. Okay, so now let's discuss about tips and hacks how to take care of your hands and foot. Okay, the first and foremost is wearing protective gears, proper use of gloves. Okay, gloves, socks. Okay, so always I suggest to my patient, okay, always wear a cotton gloves, a thin cotton gloves. Over that, you can wear thick woolen gloves. Okay, woolen gloves or socks. Okay, so because sometimes, no, if you wear the woolen gloves or socks directly, sometimes it causes irritation. So always wear a thin cotton gloves, yeah, socks. Over that, you wear thick woolen gloves to protect your extremities. It's very important if you don't want to develop these problems which I mentioned: chillblains, frostbites, okay, and even dry skin. Okay, protective gears. Even particularly when you are sleeping, always cover your foot with, always wear socks. Okay, this because the blankets and all which you are wearing when you are sleeping, while you are in deep sleep, sometimes the blanket tends to go away from your foot. Okay, so most of the people might suffer from all the skin problems which I mentioned. So always when you're in bed also, always make sure you wear socks. Okay, and along with that, always wear shoes. Okay, shoes, even someone who does not want to wear shoes, at least slippers. Okay, in winter season, okay, please don't keep your foot on barefoot on the cold floors, okay. So if you're going to do that, surely the chillblains is the most common problem, and in severe, in if you're not going to take care, sometimes frostbite also tends to happen, okay. So always wear, along with the socks, okay, along with the gloves in the foot, always wear shoes, okay. If shoes not there inside your home, at least chappals is at least should be worn, okay. Second thing, any water related work, it can be household chores or any other works, I always suggest to my patient do after sunrise, okay, and before sunset. That is ideally from after 8 to 10 a.m. in the morning and before 6 p.m. in the evening time, okay. So this is the ideal time to do your household chores, yeah, water related work if you have any, okay. And always use lukewarm water, okay. It can be general, it can be for your washroom use, okay, or anything, even utensils washing, clothes washing, household chores, or any water related work, always use lukewarm water. Please don't use the same water, cold water and all. Then all the skin problems in your hands and foot, there are higher chances of you developing, okay. So now I have discussed this. Third tip is always keep on applying coconut oil, Vaseline, or your dermatologist has suggested any moisturizer for hands and feet. Keep on applying it. Okay, how frequently to be applied? If you ask me, I just say whenever you wash your hand, okay, just take a coconut oil, yeah, Vaseline, just apply it. Okay, this will surely protect your hands and foot, okay. The fourth tip is whenever you're traveling in your car, keep your windows, okay, windows of your car closed, okay, because the cold air which when you're traveling, when you're traveling in speed, the cold air which enters makes your skin drier, okay. And along with that, keeping your windows closed or car windows closed, along with that, you can also start a heater in your car, okay, to make the inside environment of the car warmer, okay. This is one. And other people who are traveling two wheelers, proper protective gears, okay, this is must, okay. You literally can't go without protective gears. So these are the tips, okay. Still after applying moisturizer, after doing all these things, still if you're swelling, if hand swelling pain is not reducing, it's always better idea to show to your dermatologist and get it treated. Thank you. I think this video was useful. Since winter is here, please do all or use all these tips as I mentioned, okay. Thank you, okay. Please like, share and subscribe. You liking my videos motivates me to make more videos. Thank you.